Hey, it's your girl Tanisha, Shanee, Miss Inspiration, and I thank you for joining Side Hustle Trailblazers. This is definitely a community that will allow you to start to not only change your mindset about how you make money, but also just change your life as a whole. The one thing that I want you to constantly remember is that we always have the ability to take control of our circumstances and the situations that we are truly currently living in. The one thing I don't want you to feel like you're being forced to start thinking outside of having a 9 to 5 and, you know, putting yourself in a situation where you're going to start to become an entrepreneur. If that is your ultimate goal, then absolutely I support that and I do encourage that. But this community is really for individuals that have found themselves stuck in a situation where they're constantly needing more, right? Where they currently are, they're not making enough. And when they have emergencies, they're finding themselves constantly borrowing from other people, robbing Peter to pay Paul. And I want you to realize that you have the opportunity to change your entire life by taking necessary action steps that you can even start doing today. We all have resources that will cost you little to nothing. And a lot of the things that you're going to learn in this course is going to get you started almost immediately if you take the steps, if you take those action steps, right? So we're going to talk about how to use your smartphone, okay? There are apps out there that you can sign up for right now that can help you to start making additional income. And whether we're talking about $5 extra, 20, or even $1,000. So I want you to really open up your mind and start realizing like there's something out there and I can make some changes that's going to potentially put my family in another realm, in another tax bracket one day. But it all really does come down with what resources do you have? What knowledge do you have? And I want to be a resource for you. I want to help you to build that knowledge base so that you can start to make these important changes in your life. So we're going to go over different apps. We're definitely going to start to really look at what talents and skills did God give you that you can actually start to utilize to help you make additional income, right? And then we're going to really hone into this concept of passive income. I can't wait for that one because that is something I think a lot of us, we pass up on all the time. And I don't want you to be that person. I want you to realize many of you already have access to an audience that needs something that other people have that could potentially benefit you. But it's all about mindset. So we're going to really take our time, and I want you to take your time going through this course, watching those videos, reading the resources. There are quizzes, but this is not a pass fail where if you don't pass, you're not gonna, move on to the next. You will continue through it. And at the end, I'm giving you a certificate because I want you to feel like you have accomplished something that's going to allow you to remind yourself that you have the tools to get started to make the changes in your life. So whether your children are dependent on it, whether your finances, your bank account, the home that you want, the vacation that you haven't taken because you don't have those resources, I want you to know that we can make changes starting today. So I am your girl, Tanisha Shanee, and I thank you. Thank you for joining me in this journey. And as always, tell a friend to tell a friend, because guess what? There's an opportunity in here for you to even start making money as you share out this particular course to other people and help them make changes in their life as well. So continue. If you have any questions, please make sure to go to the different discussions and ask your questions because that is why I'm here. I'm here to be a resource, a tool, and an asset to you as you are going through this course, but not only just this course, but going through your life. Have a great one.